Hello fellas, and I have ordered Makita router from the eBay for spares or repairs, and one of the reasons I have ordered it is a 2005 factory made, so I'm interested to disassemble it and check what's wrong, and I can feel that it's even not moving here, so I will open the brushes. The brushes look good, the one of the brush. The second one looks good too. So now, okay, I will screw the screws here. Okay, the housing of course lifts off, and just a normal regular tool. Okay, and what we need to inspect here, the field, and looks nice, shiny, like new. And then of course goes our armature, and I can feel that the armature cannot move here, so I will unscrew the collet, if I will be able to do that. It's tightened very well. Okay, the armature moves, but really hard. And yep, I suspect it will be the ball bearing fault. Okay, we need a key here. Yep. And of course our coil, the nut, and now we have our armature here. We can suspect that it's two screws here, so I will try to hammer the anvil down. I will do that with the puncher. It moves, and it moves fast if you hammer it. Okay, and we can spot the problem here. This ball bearing, it's completely dead, and we can see the ring here from the ball bearing. And okay, I'll try to push it out somehow. Yeah, we have the sealing of the bearing, it's all melted. It was here, and of course the ball bearing was stuck, and just spinning in the housing, and we can hope that the housing is not damaged. It's a wave washer inside, and some kind of the ball bearing retainer. Try to take out the wave washer. Yep, got a wave washer. So, and yeah, we got the screws out, and I think the screws was holding the ball bearing in the housing, but not hold it perfectly now. And I have some housing damage, but after good cleaning I think it will be good. do this again. Okay, so I just need the ball bearing to replace it and check how the tool is running. And of course we can know what ball bearing it was by checking the Makita spare parts view. I'll check, maybe I will be able to remove it. Just getting to the ring. It's a holding ring here. It's getting really hard, and maybe I will be needed to put it on a hydraulic press. Okay, I'll try that again. And it's a problem when you have the cheap and bad ball bearing removal tool. Okay, I will do that on a vise, I think, and it will be easier for me and faster. I will just put the plates. There's my plates. I will just put this plate and press the anvil down with the hydraulic press, and it will be done easily. And I have removed the ball bearing, and I can see the numbers here. It's 6002. So I will go to the shop to buy a new one, and I will assemble the tool and check it. Of course, I can spot the problem here. I will change it to the normal plug for the EU, not for the UK, I think, because I have got it from the UK, but I live in Lithuania, EU, and we have different plugs. Okay, so I'll be back with the ball bearing. I have received a new replacement ball bearing, and of course purchased a cheap one. Okay, now I will put a wave washer inside the housing, just making sure it's aligned. Okay, it looks good. Putting the ball bearing inside, and you can use this tool if it will fit here. Yeah, I think it will fit. So I will try to hold it and push it a little bit into the housing. Yep, it seems it is going. When I have the bearing almost in the housing, I can use this tool and the hammer to press it down. It's really not needed a lot of force here. Okay, now I need to put the two screws here. They will be inside the housing. You can see the holes, and that screws will hold the ball bearing. Okay, got it. No, it will not hold anything, I think. Okay, they must be there. Okay, now it's time for our armature. Just putting it in through the hole of the ball bearing and slightly hammering it in. And it's almost done. I will hammer it a little bit on the vise. Yep. Okay. It seems to be in. It's moving around. Now I need to put the housing on the motor. and I will align the pin here with the pin here. Okay, just need to align the armature here. I think I will inspect it again. Now it seems that nothing is holding it. Maybe the rubber sealing. Yep. Okay. Just trying if it spins. Now it spins, and okay, now I want to close the cover here. Making sure that it still spins. I will put the brushes. The caps. Okay, as I have forgot to purchase the plug for the cord into the U socket, I will use some kind of adapter. And this cover is not needed for us now. I have a simple adapter. I hope it will work. And we can see it's on an off position. Okay, now I need to turn it on. The lights come on and it's worked really good. So that was only the ball bearing problem. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my new videos. Bye.